Hi all, this is Happy Bunker and welcome to the video. Today we will be having a look at an old project of mine, Solar System Suitcase. Essentially a small renewable energy generator. It houses everything for basic power needs in a nice portable setup. For power input we have a small solar module with 10 watts of peak power production. To connect the solar module with the Suitcase, I used plugs that I recycled from an old computer power supply. On the other side of the Suitcase is the output of the inverter. 220 volt, 5 volts from the inverter, as well as 12 volts from the solar charge controller. On the inside you can see the solar charge controller, a voltmeter, and on-off switches for those. As mounting, I used sheet metal that I cut with an angle grinder to fit it nicely into the Suitcase. Let's plug this in and there we go, operational. So let's have a look inside. You can see I already unscrewed the mounting plate, so it's more easy to open. Here we have the 300 watt modified CNOS inverter, a 20 ampere hour lead acid gel battery, and the connections and cabling to make it all work. The voltmeter should be holding up in the plate, but as this system is now more than 7 years old and running a lot, it came loose. It should be up in there, as you can see. A solar module fits nicely inside. You can wrap it all in a nice, comfortable, portable system to bring for camping, illuminating construction sites, or other outdoor activities. This little system is running since 2014 and it has always been useful to have around. I cannot count how many times it was great to have a small mobile electricity source that recharges itself. With that, enjoy your day and make it count.